Most solar security cameras sold online are overpriced gimmicks built to fail within a year. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Want a solar camera that actually works in rain and heat without breaking? Relax, this video breaks down the top picks and why they win. Today, I'm going to be going over the best solar security cameras that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the SEHMUA solar security cameras. SEHMUA solar security cameras are designed for homeowners seeking wireless reliability, solar-powered operation, and simple installation in varied climates. The product targets families and small businesses seeking flexible, scalable security that can be mounted on porches, garages, or exterior walls. Its wire-free design reduces installation time and avoids the constraints of running electrical lines. The exterior builds on a robust, weather-resistant shell designed to withstand sun, rain, and temperature swings. The compact form factors target discrete placements on eaves or fence lines without attracting attention. Its IP65 rating ensures reliable operation in rain showers and snow seasons. It records at 2K high definition for crisp detail and can deliver color night vision under illuminated circumstances. It provides 355-degree horizontal and 100-degree vertical rotation to cover wide areas. Per motion detection and two-way talk allow smart alerts and remote communication. Solar-powered operation relies on sunlight to recharge, reducing maintenance and preventing daily battery replacements in well-lit locations. Real-world tests show reliable performance under moderate weather with stable streaming over the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. During nighttime or low light, color night vision activates when the spotlight is engaged, delivering vivid color details. Compared with the Arlo solar camera, SEHMUA delivers a wider rotation range and color night vision, though both rely on solar charging. Its compact footprint and minimal mounting dimensions allow secure placement on eaves, fences, or porch corners. The pros include long battery life, easy setup, and robust weather resistance. The cons include higher price and limited Wi-Fi compatibility. At number 4, we have the Tapo C402. From the moment you unbox the Tapo C402, you sense a thoughtful solar-powered outdoor camera built for practical, budget-friendly security. Construction exudes durability with a weather-resistant enclosure, compact footprint, and modular solar panel arrangement that emphasizes simple placement anywhere outdoors. Storage flexibility is robust, supporting local microSD cards up to 512 GB or optional cloud storage through a subscription. Nighttime clarity remains strong thanks to full color night vision and bright spotlights that reveal details even at extended distances. Security-minded design includes encrypted video streams, two-factor authentication, and robust data protections to minimize risk when accessing footage remotely. Compared to the Arlo Pro 3, the C402 offers longer operation with solar charging, while the Arlo depends on battery replacements. The pros include endless solar power, wireless setup, and 512 GB of microSD storage. The cons include diminished performance during extended cloud cover and a reliance on sun exposure for consistent solar charging. In real-world testing, the C402 delivered stable HD video during daylight and nighttime with consistent motion alerts when activity zones were activated. Setup remains straightforward with clear app-guided steps, strong wireless performance, and the option to route a cable for a hybrid arrangement. Solar charging keeps the internal battery topped up with a modular panel, delivering extended operation through long sunny periods. Whether mounted as a single unit or separated with a 13-foot cable, the system adapts to diverse property layouts. With compatibility for Alexa and Google Assistant, daily routines can integrate the camera into a larger smart home without additional hubs. Overall, the Tapo C402 kit offers a compelling blend of solar autonomy and flexible storage for outdoor security setups. At number 3, we have the Hiseeu solar security cameras. This versatile wireless outdoor camera system targets homeowners and small businesses seeking truly independent surveillance without fixed power outlets. Its rugged IP66 waterproof housing and compact form keep it durable yet unobtrusive in any outdoor environment. Its built-in 5,200 mAh battery powers thousands of triggers with daily sun sustaining months of autonomous operation. The camera records at 4 megapixel resolution, delivering sharp daylight and full color night vision with virtual spotlight enhancement. A built-in PER sensor delivers AI-driven human detection with adjustable sensitivity, while two-way audio enables real-time conversations with visitors. Smart alerts, audible siren, and dual LED illumination provide proactive deterrence while enabling you to respond through the app from anywhere. The The system supports multiple connection methods including home Wi-Fi, hotspot, and other wireless options, ensuring flexible installation. Its solar input ensures energy independence, eliminating frequent recharges for an entire year under typical usage in daylight. You can tailor motion sensitivity to reduce false alarms while maintaining prompt alerts during high-risk periods. The camera supports cloud storage or local SD-based recording, providing flexible archival options without losing footage. IP66 waterproof rating ensures reliable outdoor operation during heavy rain and dust. The camera delivers clear images through color night vision, rotating spotlight to brighten scenes during nocturnal surveillance. Compared to the Arlo Pro 3, this solar-powered model offers longer battery life and simpler installation with no cable clutter. The pros include strong build quality, long battery life, and flexible installation. The cons include higher price and sunlight dependency. At number 2, we have the Cinnado 2K outdoor camera. The image quality impresses with a 2304 by 1296 pixel resolution, delivering crisp details. The housing uses rugged outdoor-grade materials with weather resistance and a compact silhouette that blends into any exterior wall. Its IP65 waterproof rating protects it from rain and dust, while 360-degree pan tilt and zoom enable wide coverage. The camera runs on solar power with an included panel and a backup battery, eliminating the need for constant plugging. Advanced PER and AI-based human detection reduce alerts by focusing on people, while adjustable sensitivity lets you tailor performance to your environment. The unit supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, ensuring compatibility with older networks, while storage options include local SD storage or cloud. Integration with voice assistance and two-way audio provides remote communication, lets you greet visitors or warn intruders from your mobile device. In testing, the night vision performed well, toggling between color night and infrared modes with light, while the solar backup kept uptime steady. The backup battery provides continuity when sun exposure is limited, ensuring continuous surveillance even during cloudy days or brief power interruptions. Setup uses drilled holes and screws, with included positioning stickers to mark placements, simplifying alignment and ensuring a stable, secure installation. With 360-degree panoramic capability and remote tilt, you can monitor approaches from multiple angles, reducing blind spots and improving overall security. During a direct comparison, this Cinnado 2K outdoor camera with solar power beats typical battery-only cameras from major brands. The pros include robust solar-powered operation, strong weather resistance, and flexible 360-degree viewing. The cons include higher price compared to similar models and a reliance on sunlight, which can temper performance during overcast days. At number 1, we have the INFIYA Z14P. From the outset, this solar-powered camera targets homeowners seeking long battery life and minimal wiring with reliable wireless backup. Its durable shell combines weather-resistant materials and a compact design that blends with porches, gates, or garden entryways. The housing adopts a compact form factor that hides behind eaves yet remains accessible for solar panel alignment and camera servicing. A built-in 5,200 mAh battery partners with a solar panel to extend standby without constant power wiring. The camera delivers 2K high-definition video for crisp details, while its solar design keeps installation clean and maintenance light. With color night vision and adjustable white light, this camera can reveal details at night that typical infrared cameras miss. Operational over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and solar power, this setup eliminates messy cables and enables flexible, unobstructed placement. AI-based human detection reduces false alarms by recognizing human shapes and ignoring non-human movement like leaves or passing cars. The outdoor unit carries IP65 weather resistance, safeguarding against dust and water exposure during rain, heat, or chilly nights. Compared to a standard wired outdoor camera, this model trades constant power for genuine wireless flexibility and DIY solar compatibility. The pros include long standby time, AI-enhanced detection, and color night vision. The cons include limited to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and no PTZ. In practical testing, the solar-aided unit maintained operation through several days with intermittent sun and steady alerts. Setup is straightforward with guided pairing in the app and clear solar panel alignment instructions for both beginners and experienced users. If you want a truly wireless solar-powered outdoor security solution, this model satisfies most homeowners seeking low maintenance.